Hi loves, welcome to my lazy vlog. I hope you do enjoy and please do not forget to subscribe. Going to Gagogo has always been a tradition ever since Ngala Uhlakanipha. By that I'm trying to say ever since I started talking and walking, I've been spending my Christmas, and my brother will also be joining the tradition of going there on Christmas Eve. We spend a lot of time working, fighting for our dreams the entire year. Going to Gagogo, I must say, it's such a way of distressing and recharging your energy, spending the time with people you love who support you throughout the whole year, and seeing Ukogwabi happy every time I arrive literally brings tears of joy to my eyes, because ngasithanda isalukazi sami engasiphiwa uNkulunkulu. So basically this is me showing you, I think this is a quarter of Igceke. Nginqenile ukuhamba to the other side and show you. I'm just going to insert a picture of how Igceke looks like. So here, my mom was giving Ugogo the cheese board that we have made. It was our first time making it, and seeing Ugogo really excited about that. I enjoyed it. It turns out I'm not the only person othanda ukushuta. So are the dogs and Ugogo.
Baby, the sound of you better than harmony. Yeah, I want you off my mind and on me.
I do see it, but I also feel like it's also on me because I'm not consistent on my channel. I am consistent, but I feel like I could do better, you know?
Holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. Boy, it don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time.
Hi guys, today is Friday and we are going out to have lunch.
All night, baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection.
Good morning. It's a new day and I'm sick. It is the 4th of Jan. Oh, this is my new vision board. So it's my birth month. It's on 20 January. And I am not feel. I'm worried. Like, I don't know why. Like, I'm not excited. Like, I'm not excited at all, you know. But it's fine. It's fine. Guys, I'm so sick. So today I'll be going to Katokotela because literally, but yeah, that's just about it. Thank you for tuning in on today's vlog. I've been up. So I'm just gonna make it parish because everything else has milk, and yeah, I don't wanna have milk today. So yeah, peace out. I'm now going to the mall to buy bread because I just found out Kori Singwasik, and dad gave me his card, so I'm just gonna buy the things as well.
And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us.
You won't believe this. I literally got injected. Oh, guys. Banchova. Oh, and it's so painful. And I got a lot of medication because I've been sick from the 19th, you know, but I've been pushing through, pushing peak.
Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it.
I am literally craving for dunked wings and Crunch Collective. You know, zonke izinto ey'babayo ezingakwazi ukuzidla because I'm sick. The lighting in my bedroom is mad. It's just not it. So I'm currently having some pizza and I'm making food. Just like igunya and fries. That's what I'm making right now. Luckily, igunya bought it, you know, and fries, they're frozen. I just have to put in the microwave and then eat. Yeah, I can't take any juices because I'm actually saying they have like those particles and everything. So yeah, sorry for not focusing here. They have those particles because it's them Jova was Jova. Yo. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. So this is what I'm having: igunya with chicken and cheese polony, fries, pizza, and some hot sauce. I could be putting cheese here, but yeah, enjoy, guys. I can't drink or eat denobisi, you know, and I shouldn't be eating intibabayo either, but child.
You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside,